Okay, guys, we're gonna get started with some projects, and what we want to do is kind of get acquainted with some of the parts we're going to use. And you can see here that we've got some resistors. Okay, so these are called resistors, and the strength of the resistor, you'll understand what I mean in a bit, but the strength of a resistor is indicated by its color code. It's also listed up here, but you can learn to read these to know what the strength of each resistor that you might have is. And the purpose of a resistor is essentially to basically regulate power in a circuit. Okay, and I kind of like to think of it as like their job is to almost consume a certain amount of power and convert it to heat. Okay, they resist the flow of electricity, and by doing so, they dissipate that energy into heat. This guy here is a LED, a light emitting diode. Okay, so that's going to be a little light source, and we'll talk about diodes later. And this here, this is a switch, a push button switch. So you can see here's a little push button, okay? And so it's open by default, and if you so this set of terminals is disconnected from this set of terminals, so the circuit's open. When you push the button down, boom, it closes the circuit. And so when you push the button down, it's on. And this here is a transistor. We'll learn about those. And I like to think of these in a sense as this is a switch with moving parts, and this is a switch with no moving parts, and we'll see why that is. That's simplistic, but that's a way to think about it. And then again, we have a couple of leads, solderless leads, and we have our battery pack.